Introduction. The AI-driven business revolution. AI is not just a tool for improving efficiency. It is fundamentally reshaping industries, business models, and competitive strategies. The companies that successfully integrate AI are scaling at unprecedented rates, while those failing to adapt face market obsolescence. AI-driven businesses disrupt traditional economic structures by automating processes, personalizing consumer experiences, and predicting market shifts with accuracy that was previously impossible. According to PwC's AI Impact Report, AI will contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with AI-first companies growing 40% faster than traditional businesses. 1. The fundamentals of AI. Scaling in business. AI allows companies to scale faster than ever by leveraging automation, predictive analytics, and machine learning models. Unlike human-driven businesses, AI systems learn, adapt, and optimize over time, leading to exponential efficiency gains. Key benefits of AI scaling. 1. Data-driven decision-making. AI optimizes strategies based on real-time insights. 2. Hyper-personalization. AI tailors services to individual consumers, increasing engagement. 3. Predictive market trends. AI models forecast consumer demand and competitive shifts. 4. Operational efficiency. AI automates repetitive tasks, reducing costs. Example: Netflix's AI recommendation engine. Netflix leverages AI to personalize content suggestions, reducing churn rates by 30% and saving the company $1 billion annually in lost subscriptions. Graph: AI-driven business growth versus traditional companies, 2015-2030 projections. 1. AI-first companies, 40% annual growth. 2. Traditional businesses, 12% annual growth. 2. AI market disruption. Across industries, AI is reshaping entire industries, forcing businesses to adapt or disappear. Here are some of the sectors experiencing the most profound AI-driven disruption. Industries being transformed by AI. Case study: Amazon's AI-powered logistics. Amazon's AI-driven warehouses operate 5x faster than traditional supply chains. Automated robots and predictive inventory systems have cut operational costs by 35%, while improving delivery times by 40%. 3. The rise of AI. First startups. AI startups are disrupting legacy companies by leveraging agility, automation, and machine learning. The rise of AI-first businesses is accelerating industry-wide transformations. Examples of AI-first startups. Scaling rapidly. 1. UiPath, AI-powered robotic process automation, RPA, valued at $35.2. OpenAI, AI-driven language models fueling enterprise automation. 3. Lemonade, AI-based insurance underwriting, reducing claims processing times by 80%. 4. Waymo, Google's AI-driven autonomous vehicle subsidiary, disrupting transportation. Graph: AI startup funding trends 2015 to 2030. 1. 2015. $10 billion invested in AI startups. 2. 2020. $55 million will be invested. 3. 2025. Projected $120 billion investment. 4. Scaling strategies for AI-driven businesses. To successfully scale AI-driven businesses, companies must implement the following strategies. The AI Scaling Framework. Scale Model. 1. Systematize. Build AI-driven business processes that enhance efficiency. 2. Connect. Integrate AI with cloud computing for scalability. 3. Augment. Combine AI with human intelligence for optimal decision-making. 4. Leverage. Use AI analytics to predict and adapt to market changes. 5. Expand. Scale AI-driven automation across global markets. Example: Tesla's AI-powered growth strategy. Tesla scales its AI-driven autonomous vehicle technology globally, collecting real-time driving data to improve self-driving algorithms. This enables continuous product refinement, setting Tesla apart from traditional automakers. 5. Challenges and risks in scaling AI businesses. While AI presents massive scaling opportunities, businesses must navigate significant challenges. Key challenges of AI-driven scaling. 1. Data privacy and security. AI systems must comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. 2. AI bias and ethics. Unchecked AI can reinforce biases, leading to unfair decision-making. 3. Integration complexity. Merging AI with legacy systems can be costly and time-consuming. 4. Talent shortage. AI expertise is scarce, with demand exceeding supply. Case study: Facebook's AI content moderation issues. Facebook faced backlash when its AI content moderation wrongfully flagged news articles as inappropriate, highlighting the challenges of bias in AI algorithms. 6. The future of AI-driven market disruption. AI continues evolving. Disruptive trends will accelerate. Businesses that stay ahead of the curve will dominate the AI-driven economy. AI market disruption predictions for 2035. 1. AI-powered enterprises will outperform traditional businesses. AI-first companies will capture 80% of market share in key industries. 2. Decentralized AI networks will emerge. AI systems will operate autonomously, reducing reliance on human oversight. 3. AI-driven hyper-personalization will become standard. Consumers will expect tailored experiences in every industry. Example: AI in personalized healthcare. AI-driven health diagnostics will allow real-time disease detection, preventing illnesses before symptoms arise. Conclusion: thriving in the AI-powered business landscape, scaling an AI-driven business requires more than just automation. It demands a strategic approach to leveraging AI's full potential. Companies that embrace AI, integrate predictive analytics, and prioritize automation will dominate their industries, while those slow to adapt may struggle to survive. To thrive in an AI-powered economy: 1. Adopt AI-driven business models for scalability. 2. Leverage AI-powered analytics to drive decision-making. 3. Balance automation with human expertise to maximize innovation. The future belongs to businesses that harness AI as a core driver of growth. The time to scale is now.